every Minecraft hosting guy tells you to mess with port forwarding, and honestly all the beginners quit there. So in this video I'll show you a full beginner's guide on how to set up your own Minecraft server without port forwarding using a solution named Tailscale. And let's get into it. Now this video will be divided into two parts. One is making the server and next is hosting the server. If you already made a server, then go to this timestamp shown in screen to go to the hosting part. But if you don't have a server, stick around and we'll make a server right now. Let's get started. First we need to install Java to install the server. So head to your browser, type in Java runtime. We have two things to install. So this is first Java runtime. You go to first one, go with down and click on Windows online. A link in the description will be given, so you can go there instead. Open it up and then you'll be prompted to this installation screen. You click install and let it install. After installing, we can close this out and then we'll install the next one, which we need for every Minecraft version about 26.1. It'll be in the link in the description. So Java download, and this second link, now you go a little bit down, make sure it's either 26 or 25 Windows, and MSI installer or regular installer. I'm gonna take the MSI installer, tell that download. Hey, while you're in the description, maybe go hit a like, it helps me a ton. I mean, it's the least you can do. Please, thank you. Back to the video. Once it's done, open it up and you'll be prompted to this installation setup. You click next and let it install. Once that's done, you can click close, and now we are done with the installation part. Now the server part. Now there's multiple ways to install a Minecraft server or make a Minecraft server. One, you can install vanilla or fabric, paper.mc, bucket, forge. You can do any of them. I recommend you to do vanilla or fabric for your first server, but if you want to go paper.mc, you can do it later, no problem. But paper.mc is a bit complicated, so it's probably not the tutorial for now, but I'm going to show you how to install vanilla or fabric. Now for vanilla, you can go to the Minecraft's own website, Minecraft server download, and you can click the first one for Java edition, and you'll be head to this place where you can download the latest server that Mojang gave you. But either you can do this, but if you want to go for something that's like 1.16, maybe an older version, you can go back here, just type in Minecraft and the version you wanted. So I'll put 1.16.5 and then click the one where the blog post by Minecraft.net was. This is the blog post, so I'm going to click this. And if you go all the way down in the get the release section, you can go cross platform server jar. You can just click here and install your server here. So there's two ways to install a vanilla server. Next I'll show you how to install fabric, which is just go to Minecraft fabric, go to the first link, and in this page you can click download and go here and click Minecraft server. So you can click Minecraft server, set up your version. I'm gonna take 1.1 fabric loader. The latest ones are on top, so you can pick one of them and then click install this. So I'm gonna install this now because I'm gonna use fabric at 26.1.1. I got it installed. So that's how you install a fabric server. All the links will be in the description. Do not worry, you can just go ahead to the description and immediately go to the site, no problem. Now once you have your Minecraft server jar right here, I got my fabric one right here. Yours might be a little named different, but I want you to make a new server folder so you can organize them. I'm going to make this cheese, and I want you to put the server jar into the new folder you just created. Open the folder up. Here's your server, and I want you to rename this to something simpler. So I'm going to just write fabric. You may write it server.jar or paper.jar if it's paper.mc or vanilla.jar or any, but I'll put a fabric.jar. We're going to make a script that's going to launch the server. So right click on any free space, hover on new text document, change this to run and change the txt to bat. Click yes, and that's your executable script. I want you to right click this, click edit, paste in the command in the description, which is Java-Xmx. And now in this, the number given is your RAM amount, so how much RAM you're giving to the server from your PC itself. I have 16 GB of RAM, so I'm probably going to give 4 GB. So I'll put 4G and then again XMS, again 4G, jar, fabric, or whatever you named here, this server jar. So fabric.jar, and yeah, you can keep it like that, or if you want no GUI, you can put no GUI, but I'm going to show you what is that no GUI. So I'm going to take it out first. I want you to save this. Now just double click on the run.bat and it will start downloading the Minecraft server. I want you to wait. Let this finish and I'll come back. The command prompt should either stop working or completely close off. That means that we have one more thing to do, so I can start out the server. If you see more folders than me or less folders than me, that's alright. It's alright. Every loader has something different. Fabric has this my folders pre-installed right now, and vanilla will be different and all. But anyway, we need to change one text file, which is this EULA. Open this up, change this to true, TROU, and then now you can then save this file, and now you can launch the server. This means you're agreeing to the EULA file. Now you can launch the server. It will start running, so you can click down run again, let it load. You may get a pop-up like this about network. You can just click allow access, and now your Minecraft server is open. If you see this done, then your server is currently open and you can use it to play with your friends, but not yet. That's why there's another section to this video, so stick around. This is what I meant by the GUI. If you don't want to show this GUI and you want this command prompt only, you can put /no/GUI in the run folder over here, but if not, you can do this. Now to stop a server, you can just go to this bar over here, or you can go to the terminal right here and type in stop for stop, and it will stop the server. Great job, my guy. You just installed the entire Minecraft server on your own. Insane work for you, bro. I do have a disclaimer. If you're using cracked Minecraft accounts, then you can't join the server unless you change this. So go to server properties and you have to launch it on notepad. Remember, go a bit down until you find online mode. Now if you have a Mojang account, this will be fine. You can log into it regularly. If you don't have a Mojang account, if you have cracked Minecraft, then change this to false, and now cracked accounts and Mojang account can join your server. That's just a friendly reminder. Now you have your server. Now next part to the entire video, how to set up the hosting for your server. So we're going to minimize this one first and open your browser. Search Tailscale, click the first link, and you'll be head to this website right here. This is our solution for this video. There will be no port forwarding, no router tweaks, nothing. All will be done in this software immediately, and it's all free. There is premium, there is subscriptions, but it's all free. Not sponsored by the way. It's just a good product. It's basically a VPN, a mesh VPN that connects peer-to-peer with all your devices and make them feel like they're in the same network. So even if I'm in a whole other country, I can use Tailscale to connect to my computer and access it from there. Pretty crazy. And this will give you less ping depending on how far your friends are from you. But anyway, this is way better than another free subscription like play.gg or Aternos. So let's continue. The link to this page will be given down in the description, and once you come to this screen, just click get started, and then you'll be given to this login page. I want you to log in on one of these accounts, which is these are the most simplest. I'll be using a Google account. You probably also use a Google account, so I'll sign up to my Google account. Once you sign into a Google account or any account of your choice, you'll be given a survey, and it's the best way to hear about Tailscale. Put YouTube because you're watching it from me. Click the blue button called it. And now we're gonna add your first device. This first device should be your server device. I mean, you can do it later again, but right now we wanted to do it in your server. So hopefully you're watching this guide on your PC with the server in your PC, so that we just made. So we're gonna go to Windows because I have Windows right now. If you have Mac, you go Mac. If you have Linux, you can go Linux. But we have Windows. You're gonna click download Tailscale for Windows, and you'll be head to this page right here. And I want you to click download Tailscale for Windows, and you'll be given a download to set up. Now once that's done, open it, and it'll be prompted to this side over here. I want you to click the checkbox right here and install. Let it install. Once it's done, it'll immediately pop up the GUI. You can close the installation setup, so click close. Then you'll be immediately prompted to this welcome menu where you can connect your account, so click get started. Now to connect to this side, you need to sign into your network. So we already made an account beforehand, but if you didn't make an account yet, you can just click this sign up button right here. But we made one, so we're just going to go to sign into your network, which will automatically pop up another tab in your browser, and it will show you on which account you're signing up, and you can connect to it. This name is from your PC name, so whatever you set your PC name, that will be right here, and this is your account name. To see this screen, you can just click connect and login successful. Now you have your device immediately logged in. Now you have this device connected to your account, and if you go back to Tailscale, it will be different like this. So I want you to stop for now, keep this minimized, and go back to this menu right here. It will automatically go to the setup screen, and here you can add your second device if you want to. But now if you're not going to use this software for any other reason than this Minecraft server, then probably don't add a new server. So currently you don't need to add it. If you want to, you can do. So I'm gonna just click skip to this introduction, and then you will be prompted to this admin console where you can see your devices, your IP, like your Tailscale IP, the OS, when is it connected last week. So here, this is your server. This is your host. Now I want your friend to do exactly the same steps you've done to get to this spot, to this admin console. They set up their device, they made their account, they installed Tailscale on their machine. I want you to tell them to get to this spot, and now we'll come back to your part and how to share it. I want you to hover on these three buttons, click on this share button, and now you can share through your friend's email, or you can just go to copy link and copy this link and send it to them. Now you can use a reusable or not. I'm just gonna click copy link and use one time. Now assume that I'm your friend. I'm gonna copy this to a new URL. Your friend will be prompted to this page right here, an invitation page where you have your server ID here, your account, and wants to share a device with you. You can see all here. Your friend, all they have to do is click accept invite. I can't accept invite because it's my account to my account, but once you have a friend account, you can accept your invite here. And in your console there'll be a share in, or if you see here, you'll get an email here. Your friend's account will be logged in here, and there'll be a share in +1. You can do it to other users as well and make it +2 or +3. I can't really do it right now because I really don't have friends at the moment. So once they accept the invite, they will automatically go to their admin screen like this one, and they'll see a new machine with the same name as your server machine, and it'll be share out for them. That's all for Tailscale. One more change that I want to do in your server. Open up your server and go to server properties back again. Scroll a bit down until you see server IP over here. Keep the port same. If you want to change the port, you can do it, but I'd like to make it the default because this is very common. What you want to do is just change this, either keep it blank, or what I recommend, change this to 0.0.0.0. This will force the server to go to a local LAN, which our Tailscale will take and will give you. Put a save, and once that's done, your server should be ready. Now I have a game instance right here. Now I want you to assume this is your friend right now. This is how your friend joins the server. Now I want you to run the server from your PC, run.bat, which will load up the server. We have to wait for a bit. Once you see done, then your server is ready. When you go to your friend side, you and your friend needs to confirm that you have the Tailscale open right here. I have mine right here, which is connected. Your account, this device, all should be all the same. I want you to be connected, and you have to confirm this with you and your friend. It will be in your taskbar right here. So I want you to right click this and confirm that you have Tailscale connected. If once that's connected, I want your friend to go to multiplayer, add server. You can name anything you want, and the server address you take it from Tailscale's admin command. So for your friend, whatever machine that says the share in or share out, I'm not sure, forgive me on that, whatever it says on there, go to that address specifically. You click on this, you can click copy and go back to their game instance and paste it here, Control V. If you did this correctly and set it up correctly, if you click done, you can see your server right here. So this is how your friend will join. Now for you can do it the most easiest fashion. Just go to add server. For server, you put 270.0.0.1. This is the most basic LAN IP you can use. I mean, this IP right here, Tailscale IP, will not work if your friend or yourself didn't connect to Tailscale. The server will start pinging and will not show up. So keep in mind on that. That's one of the common mistakes. Super simple, super easy. And I can play on this IP right now. Your friend can play on this IP right now and will join. Your server will start kicking, and you'll see your friend join with their username with this IP, the Tailscale IP, and we joined into the game. Now you can play on Fabric, Paper MC, Vanilla, Forge, anything you want to play on. Either big mod packs or resource packs or data pack with your friends for completely free. A small disclaimer that the ping for your friends depends on how far they live far away from you. So the ping is relevant to the distance from your PC and your friend's PC. Like the video because it helps me out and it helps out the algorithm and pushes my video to more people that wants a guide like this one, like you watched it right now. And subscribe to the channel if you want to see more Minecraft self-hosting guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Adios.